Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have this ECU. This, to be specific, is for Nissan XTRAIL. Okay, so this ECU came to the workshop for some checkup. It had an issue with the ignition coils and had blown one of the processors. So went on to replace the faulty parts, and now the ECU is very okay. I'll show you the working of it when it's in the car. So what was the main problem was with the ignition coils. So ignition coils had been uh, faulty every time you press the ignition coils, they are going to melt. So went on to dig to the deeper root cause for this, and it's good and working. So let's go to the vehicle and see how it's going to behave. Remember, if you have an issue with ECU, can bring up for checkup. The number and the Gmail is on the bio. It's Kevin Auto Insider. Thank you.